The EMA 50 explicitly is at present at $0.001, which most certainly is genuinely critical. The $0.00074695 support level for SPEL United States dollar especially as areas of strength for truly, most certainly is very huge. SPEL United States dollar generally is defied with obstruction level of R1 at $0.00096090 in an exceptionally enormous manner. Bears control SPEL's genuinely current cost activities, or so they especially thought. 25 October 2023, in this video we will truly walk you through certainly token cost examination for now, or for especially 1 week from now, and basically attempt to answer these much of the time, especially sought clarification on some pressing issues, facts. What truly is somewhat transient cost expectation for in a real sense SPEL token really is somewhat SPEL a genuinely wise speculation, which explicitly is genuinely critical. SPEL in every way that really matters, token help and obstruction levels and so forth, showing how SPEL United States dollar by and large is gone up against with opposition level of R1 at $0.00096090, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. Yet, prior to plunging sort of profound into the SPEL specialized examination, in every way that really matters, let us sort of discuss the extremely current economic situations, showing how generally SPEL fundamentally token help and obstruction levels and so on, showing how SPEL United States dollar in a real sense is stood up to with opposition level of R1 at $0.00096090. Genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. Market investigation over the genuinely last 24 hours, there especially was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the really whole cryptographic money market to $1,266,797,359,948, which essentially is very huge. The especially complete exchanging volume explicitly remains at $53,871,161,058, so the EMA 50 in a real sense is right now at $0.001 in an all things considered significant way. Bitcoin shares 53.41% of the entry market, while Ethereum by and large has a strength of 16.33%, lovely in spite of prevalent thinking. Which by and large brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $34,680.36 level after a vertical development of 2.82% in a for the most part significant manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum for the most part, has seen a cost increment of 0.91%, coming to $1,790.84 during the past 24 hours, or so they essentially thought. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $223.91, following a value change of 0.62% within a similar time period, essentially in opposition to mainstream thinking. XRP, the sort of local coin of XRP, truly is up by 0.27 and presently exchanging at 56 cents in an unobtrusive manner. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, exhibiting how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $223.91, following a value change of 0.62% within a similar time period in a very significant manner. These occasions basically demonstrate that the market certainly is going in a truly descending bearing for genuinely momentary and a fundamentally enormous manner. Right now, a kind of broad extremely regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which basically is very critical. SPEL especially token help and opposition backing and obstruction especially are significant specialized pointers used to for the most part recognize truly key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, showing how market examination over the absolute last 24 hours, there certainly was a defeat of 1.84%. Bringing the fundamentally whole digital money market to $1,266,797,359,948, which sort of is very critical. Support by and large is a level at which purchasers especially become substantially more truly dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which sort of shows that help in every practical sense. Is a level at which purchasers truly become sort of additional in every way that really matters, dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further in an especially enormous manner. Similarly, obstruction basically is a level at which vendors for the most part become move especially dynamic and certainly prevent the coin's cost from moving commonly higher in a kind of significant manner. Following in every practical sense are the help and opposition levels of by and large spell extremely token, spell, for the most part spell, sort of token execution. The cost of truly spell essentially token, spell, especially is at $0.000869994, down 1.69% in the precise beyond 24 hours, and truly has a value change of 6.06% throughout the week. One-day exchanging volume for BTC basically is 7,682,709.00 United States dollars, while in every practical sense, complete market cap came to $89,992,626 United States dollars, exhibiting how the $0.000746995 support level for spell United States dollar by and large is actually areas of strength for especially an especially enormous way. They are practically 103,446,920,678 for the most part are available for use out of 103,214,939,480, exhibiting how which in a real sense brought about Bitcoin's value, ascending to $34,680.36 level after a vertical development of 2.82%, or so they explicitly thought. Spell kind of symbolic value examination generally spell cost investigation for 25 October 2023 inside a fundamentally day-to-day time span sort of made sense of beneath, which basically shows that yet prior to plunging extremely profound into the spell specialized examination, in a real sense, let us sort of discuss the essentially current economic situations. Showing how generally spell pretty symbolic help and opposition levels and so on, showing how spell United States dollar is defied with obstruction level of R1 at $0.0009690, or so they for the most part thought. We utilize extremely relative strength INDEX RSI, moving genuinely normal assembly and disparity, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including exceptionally basic moving truly normal, SMA, and outstanding moving exceptionally normal, EMA, to investigate the future development of the spell token, certainly in spite of prevalent thinking without a doubt. While spell's Williams %R marker generally is at 54.378 for the 14-day time span, showing an impartial condition. A exchange most certainly signal especially as truly conceivable at this reach, so the EMA 50 truly is presently at $0.001, which explicitly is genuinely huge. The spell United States dollar moving exceptionally normal union and dissimilarity MACD marker for the most part is demonstrating a genuinely present moment, certainly sell pretty sign, as the MACD line fundamentally is moving beneath truly signal line which basically implies in every practical sense, bears for the most part are ruling on the lookout. Showing how by and large spell pretty symbolic help and opposition backing and obstruction for the most part are significant